again at World Skills UK Live 2018, where we will be following the IMI Skill Auto competitions.
And it's all about raising the skill levels in Britain to compete against the rest of the world.
Over the years, we've tended to notice that the good finalists tend to have a really good drive to succeed. They've also very good timekeeping skills.
The opportunity to be here, in amongst it all, it's just the best thing.
You've got a lot to gain and nothing to lose really by coming here. It tests you, improve your confidence and improve your technical ability.
As a professional body, this is all about demonstrating professionalism and skill. You know, this is the best of the best competing here.
I'm a bit of a perfectionist, so it's a good chance to showcase what you've learned throughout your experience so far as an apprentice. I've actually quite enjoyed it.
Well, I've been from a paint technician in a body shop to work at 3am now, which is one of the global leaders of the industry, and that's all off the back of being in part of this competition.
We try and raise the standard every year. We try and just push the boundaries a little bit. And in all fairness, these guys, they just seem to just like smash it out the park there, you know, every year on year.
Do it, it's so worth it. Like, for anything for this, even if you don't win, it's well worth it, just for the experience, honestly.